Laura Capra, when co-ops and condos receive large sums of money, say from an insurance company after a fire or a storm, or even after a refinancing, should they be concerned about where this money is held?
Carol, hi. Thanks for giving us an opportunity. Not so much concern, but I feel that there's options out there that they may not be aware of. And just to give you an example, Metropolitan participates in a program where we can insure a deposit in excess of $250,000 with multiple banks that also participate in this program. And I don't know if a lot of co-ops and condos are aware that a program exists today. So not concerned, but there's options.
Can you kind of talk to me about FDIC and what those limits are and what exactly that means in terms of safety for a co-op or condo?
Yes, absolutely. So under a tax ID number, you're insured up to $250,000. So being a co-op condo, if you have funds in excess of $250,000, you would have to disperse those funds through multiple deposit programs or multiple banks to get full FDIC insurance.
I see. So if you did a refinancing, or let's say you had a disaster at your building and you got a lot of insurance money, and let's say you got $700,000, it wouldn't be safe, nor I guess necessarily prudent, to put it into your one reserve account.
Correct. Prudent is a appropriate word. With this program that I mentioned, you can put your full deposit with Metropolitan, and what we do, as I said, we partner with a network of banks that are fully capitalized banks that participate in the program, where it's a one-stop shop. So you place your $700,000 deposit with Metropolitan. We keep $245,000 with us, and then we put the excess of that deposit out with the network of banks. So that full $700,000 is fully FDIC insured.
I see. So very practically speaking then, for a board, or more likely its managing agent who is having to get the money, you don't have to then worry and deal with many different banks.
Correct. It's a one-stop shop. You can come to Metropolitan and we can process that transaction by pulling that money out of the network.
And very practically, so now you've deposited the money within the network banks, and now I'm doing capital improvements and I need to draw upon the money. Can you tell me how that works, how I do that?
Yeah, absolutely. It's simple. It's just a matter of making a withdrawal or using online banking to do a wire transfer. Funds are automatically swept the time you need to do the transaction.
So I don't have to go to many different banks to do that.
No, this is great because it's a one-stop shop. So all that money is available to you through Metropolitan to do that transaction.
And does this program have a name?
It's called our Ultra Insured Money Market Accounts, but it's offered, again, through multiple banks offer the program. Ours happens to be called the Ultra Insured Money Market Account.
Okay. Thank you very much. Very much appreciate your time.
Thank you as well.